Join me on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of the internet as I unveil the absolute best gadgets and devices that'll redefine your tech game. Hey folks! Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor gear with this incredible multitask axe. This compact powerhouse is primed and ready for action, tackling everything from chopping firewood to mastering the art of throwing. Crafted with precision from a single piece of sturdy 4mm thick steel, it's lightweight at just around 700 grams, that's about 1.65 pounds, making it a breeze to wield on your adventures. And the best part? It won't break the bank. You can snag this versatile axe for just $35. But hold on, there's more. As an added bonus, when you grab yours, you'll also receive a complimentary 90-page PDF loaded with invaluable survival tips to take your outdoor skills to the next level. So, whether you're gearing up for a camping trip or simply want to be prepared for whatever nature throws your way, the multitask axe has got you covered. Made right here in the USA and built to withstand the test of time. That's the promise behind this folding bow. Arrows zip through the air at an impressive speed of 60 meters per second, making it the fastest option in its class. And when it's not in use, this bow conveniently folds into a compact case, effortlessly fitting into the multitude of backpacks out there. This survivalist model comes with a price tag of $200, but it's worth every penny for its durability and performance. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or a beginner, this folding bow is your reliable companion for any adventure. With Camillus, a venerable knife manufacturer with roots dating all the way back to 1876, making it one of the oldest in the world. But they're not just resting on their laurels. This time, they've transformed the humble machete into a versatile powerhouse capable of handling a myriad of tasks. Measuring in at 46 centimeters in total, with a blade length of 30.5 centimeters, this machete is crafted from 420 grade steel with a titanium coating, making it 3 times harder than your typical blade. From cutting and sawing to digging and gutting, it's a true all-in-one tool for the outdoors. But wait, there's more. As a sweet bonus, it comes with a universal knife, complete with its own sheath, adding even more utility to your toolkit. And the best part? The entire package can be yours for just $35, offering incredible value for such high-quality gear. Meet the Flash Torch, touted as the world's brightest flashlight. This powerhouse can do some seriously impressive stuff. It's not just for lighting up the night. With its intense beam, it can start fires, heat water, and even melt metal. Talk about versatility. But before you get too excited, there are a few things you should know. First off, the lamp only lasts for about 100 hours, so it's not a forever-lasting light source. Secondly, in its most powerful mode, it'll only run for 15 minutes on a single charge, so make those minutes count. And thirdly, it's not exactly budget-friendly, coming in at a hefty $400. Plus, it's a bit on the heavy side, weighing about a kilogram. Despite these drawbacks, if you're in need of serious illumination and versatility, the Flash Torch might just be worth the investment. This versatile knife isn't just your ordinary blade. It's a multifunctional tool that can transform into a spear or harpoon when paired with a stick, thanks to its unique blade shape and hilt with strategically placed holes. But wait, there's more. It's not just for survival situations. It's also a game changer when it comes to prepping food at the campsite. With a blade length of 9.5 centimeters, it's the perfect size for all your outdoor needs. And the best part? You can score this incredible knife, complete with a durable nylon sheath, for just $54. The Camillus Compass. This powerhouse tool features a 51-centimeter bidirectional blade, 2 6-meter sections of paracord, and weighted handles, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of tasks. Whether it's post-storm cleanup, pre-hunting season land clearing, or tending to tall trees, the compass has you covered. But its utility doesn't stop there. Hikers will also appreciate its reliability and functionality on the trail. And with the added convenience of a carrying case, it's ready to go wherever adventure calls. Proudly manufactured by Camillus, a company with a rich history dating back to 1876, the compass embodies their signature degree of versatility. And the best part? You can own this powerhouse tool for just $50, an unbeatable value for such high-quality gear. The versatile shovel that's a game-changer in outdoor gear. Measuring just under a meter, this shovel is more than just a digging tool. It's a Swiss Army knife of utility, boasting the functionality of up to 21 different tools. From saws to knives and even bottle openers, this shovel has you covered for any task. Crafted with durability in mind, the designers spared no expense, using a blend of 440C steel and 6063 aluminum alloy. This ensures that it can withstand the toughest challenges you throw its way. For those seeking a more compact option, there's also an S-sized version of the same shovel, measuring 60 centimeters in length. It may have fewer features, but it's just as reliable when you need it most. With a starting price of $89, this handy tool is worth every penny for its versatility and durability. Introducing the VSSL Camp Supplies, a rugged tool crafted from military-grade aluminum, ensuring it's virtually indestructible and completely waterproof. No matter the weather or conditions, your gear stays safe and secure. This compact unit boasts an accurate compass and an ultra-bright LED flashlight with 4 modes, perfect for illuminating your path during any outdoor adventure. Inside, you'll find carefully selected and neatly stacked specialty gear, each piece housed in clearly labeled containers with screw-on lids. These containers stack effortlessly within the VSSL Camp Supplies, making organization a breeze. Simply unscrew the top of the compass or LED indicator to access your gear quickly and efficiently. With its slim, minimalist design, carrying everything you need for outdoor activities has never been easier. With the new camping hammock with rain cover, rainy camping trips are a thing of the past. Its triangular design offers enhanced protection from wind and rain, ensuring your comfort and privacy throughout your outdoor adventure. Say goodbye to complicated setups. This hammock features 2 adjustable ropes with hooks, making installation a breeze. Simply bring the rope up and connect the hook to the tree straps. The upgraded netting is denser and stronger, effectively keeping insects at bay. Crafted from durable and lightweight Oxford Pro material with specially designed mesh fabric, this hammock is breathable and resilient. Plus, the tent fabric is treated with waterproof and windproof polyurethane, guaranteeing protection against gales, strong winds, and snowstorms. Enjoy unparalleled comfort and peace of mind on your next camping trip with the camping hammock with rain cover.